Dionysus, known as Bacchus in Roman mythology, occupies a prominent place in Greek mythology as the god of wine, revelry, and theater. Celebrated for his vibrant spirit, Dionysus embodies the joys of life, particularly those associated with wine, feasting, and ecstatic festivities. He is often depicted as a youthful and charismatic figure, his long hair adorned with vine or ivy leaves, symbolizing both fertility and the bounty of nature. In one hand he typically holds a wine cup, known as a cantharos, or clutches a cluster of grapes, reflecting his direct association with viticulture and the pleasures of drinking. Central to his worship is the concept of ecstasy and transformation. Dionysian rites, characterized by wild celebrations of music, dancing, and the consumption of wine, were integral to his worship. These rituals fostered a communal experience, allowing participants to enter a state of altered consciousness, symbolizing the liberating power of Dionysus's divine presence. The ecstatic dances and songs during these rites not only celebrated vine-related harvests, but also served as a testament to the transformative quality associated with intoxication and the emotional release that followed. As a patron of the arts, particularly theater, Dionysus significantly influenced the cultural landscape of ancient Greece. Believed to have introduced the dramatic arts to the Greeks, he became the central figure at the Dionysia festival, a series of theatrical performances dedicated to him. During these festivities, playwrights would showcase their works, presenting tragic and comedic narratives that often explored themes related to his divine exploits. The unfolding of theater in his honor underscored the deep connection between the divine and human creativity, as well as the role of performance in society. The mythology surrounding Dionysus is rich and layered. His birth is shrouded in dramatic circumstances. He is born from the union of Zeus and Semele, a mortal woman. After Hera, Zeus's wife, deceives Semele into asking to see her lover in his true divine form, Semele tragically perishes. Zeus, rescuing the unborn Dionysus, saves him by sewing him into his thigh until he is ready to be born. This unique birth signifies the blending of mortal and divine existence, setting the tone for his dual nature, both godly and deeply attached to humanity. As Dionysus embarks on his journey to establish his worship, he faces numerous challenges. He travels extensively, introducing the culture of wine and revelry to various peoples. A key episode in his myth is his encounter with Pentheus, the king of Thebes. When Pentheus refuses to recognize Dionysus's divinity and regards his ecstatic worship as mere barbarism, he attempts to imprison the god. In retaliation, Dionysus drives Pentheus to madness, leading him to spy on the Bacchi, his female followers, while they participate in raucous festivities. Mistaken for a wild animal, Pentheus meets a tragic fate at the hands of his own mother, exemplifying the dangers inherent in denying the primal forces of nature that Dionysus represents. Dionysus's gatherings involve followers known as the Maenads, who embody his spirit to the fullest through ecstatic dances and wild celebrations. These gatherings allowed individuals to escape societal norms and tap into their instinctual selves, highlighting the balance between civilization and nature. In Greek society, Dionysus was not only revered for his association with wine, but also celebrated for his contributions to the arts, social unity, and the exploration of human emotions. His festivals, particularly the Dionysia, flourished as communal celebrations of creativity, forging connections between individuals and the divine. Every spring, as the grapevines began to bloom, communities would honor him, underscoring the cyclical relationship between humanity and the earth. Through the lens of art and literature, Dionysus's character evolves into a powerful symbol of ecstasy, creativity, and the inherent complexities of human nature. He serves as a reminder of the essential balance between order and chaos, introspection and exuberance. The narratives that envelop him illuminate the celebration of life in all its facets, reflecting the joys, struggles, and transformative moments that define the human experience. In conclusion, Dionysus stands as a testament to the inherent duality of existence, representing both the intoxicating pleasures of life and the deeper, often chaotic truths that accompany them. As the god of wine, revelry, and the arts, he inspires generations to embrace creativity and to celebrate the beauty found within the ecstasy of life.